Iran is reliving the ghosts of 1979, the revolution that reshaped the nation. Now, history trembles again. The man who led the Islamic Republic for more than 3 decades is dead.
رهبر و امام مسلمین حضرت آیت الله العظما سید علی حسینی خامنه‌ای در راه سربلندی حرم جمهوری اسلامی ایران شهد گوارای شهادت را نوشیدند.
Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei was killed in precision strikes by Israel and the United States. The country is on the brink. Grief, fury and fire on the streets. At Anglab Square, black-clad mourners gathered with portraits and prayers. At the shrine of Hazrat Masumeh, thousands thronged the holy complex. In Karbala, devotees assembled at the Imam Hussain shrine for solemn rituals, all marking the commencement of a 40-day-long mourning period in Iran. But grief has turned to rage within the Shia community now. Across cities, chants of death to America and death to Israel echoed through the streets. In Isfahan, protesters warned they're watching the skies, vowing revenge and promising a long fight. In Qom, state television showed mourners framing the killing as an assault on Iran's sovereignty. The anger has spilled beyond Iran.
Today, the devils of the world will celebrate, and everybody they have managed to brainwash.
In Karachi, a furious mob surrounded the United States Consulate General. Stones were hurled, roads were blocked, police fired tear gas. Local reports claim multiple casualties in the clashes, with dozens injured as the US military stepped in to quell the protests.
UN office को आग लगा दिया गया है, ये आपको दिखा रहे हैं इस वक्त.
In Baghdad and Nasiriyah, crowds called it martyrdom, warning of retaliation across the Shia world. Closer home, protests against the US and Israel erupted across Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi and Bengaluru.
Behind me is the iconic clock tower, and as you could be seeing around me, there are thousands of mourners who have assembled here. They are protesting peacefully, but lot of anger, lot of resentment against Israel and the United States. Once the news of his death came, it was clear that the fallout will not only be felt in Iran, but there will be ripples across. People from the Muslim community and especially from the Shia community will come out on the streets, not just in Iran, but everywhere.
Over thousands of people, persons who have gathered here. They're from Shia community. Not just they are condemning the ongoing airstrikes in Iran, Tehran, but also condoling the death of Imam Khamenei. They are saying that both countries, Israel and USA, are trying to harass Shia community.
While in Lucknow, the Shia community announced 3 days of mourning. And yet, the picture is still divided. In the Iranian city of Karaj and among sections of the Iranian diaspora abroad, videos show celebrations, scenes of a very different reaction. A nation mourning, a region on the edge, a world watching what comes next. West Asia stands at a dangerous crossroads. Bureau Report, India Today.